AFCON is here and all the teams are ready. Sunday, 7 p.m. Kickoff Morocco versus Comoros. Yes, Morocco, Comoros. Open up. Nigeria has opened camp, and as you can see, everyone is ready. Nigeria is fully prepared. They didn't go to the World Cup, yes, they didn't qualify. They want to use backdoor to go to World Cup, but then far. So Nigeria is ready, and I'll be bringing you all the update I need from the Super Eagles of Nigeria's camp. So don't forget that you follow me, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Share it. All the update you need to know from Nigeria's camp is here for you, because Ghana didn't qualify. Ghana chose World Cup over AFCON. Yes, World Cup over AFCON. So Ghana is 4 times AFCON champion. So now Ghana want to win the World Cup. So Nigeria take the AFCON, okay.